Kat here, your favorite ginger bibliophile. I hope you're all doing really well, and I hope you're in the mood for a nice stroll around my garden. And no, I'm not naked. I'm just felt like being girly for once. Kind of fit the theme of the video, so I got a little cute girly dress with some flowers. But if you're looking for the animals and the books, check the playlist down below. I've got to. But I wanted to, do a little intro and remind y'all need to go check out Elaine over at Cobalt Dragon, because she's the one that gave me the inspiration for this little weekly series I've been doing. Because she also talks books, but she also has a weekly thing of, here's my yard, here's the wildlife, here's my kitties, all kinds of cuteness. So if you haven't already, go check her out. I will link her down below, and I will see y'all soon. Bye! The finches have been getting the seeds. It's their favorite thing. Oh. Looks like that's coming back. And we have these fill-in buttercups. Because as you can see, petunias are struggling. Neither of my clippings took. It's struggling and doing well. Oh, you can't see it too well, but there's finally, we have 2 buds. And despite watering, it's drying up. The cosmos are doing well, which is good because, again, the petunias are struggling. And we've got 2 beautiful hibiscus. I'll have some flowers soon there. Most of poor sunflowers are struggling. Oh, and look, it's a little lightning bug in the morning. These things wilt every night, and I water them, and they wilt again. And these are so pretty. And then we have that. That will also be doing well soon. My black crepe myrtle isn't doing anything, but the one that was here when I bought the place is doing well. Got a couple buds on this recovering baby. And on our little pink one has got some growth in buds. Garden 1 doing its best despite getting chewed on by the groundhog. I'm still trying to figure out how to keep him out of it, if anybody has any ideas, since Epsom salt and cayenne clearly do not work. But my cosmos are going crazy. I mean, that's shoulder high. Got a little bit surviving him. I really wish those had. And the purple one is thinking about it. How pretty that's gonna be when this big boy is done. And there's probably a bird or nest or bunny in here, so we're not gonna disturb it too much. So you listen to the cute birdies. And garden 2 going insane. and the sunflower patch that I did not plant. This is all reseed. So I hope you're enjoying this little stroll and all the bird song telling me to get my butt back in the house so that they can nibble on the food that we leave for them, or on the flowers, as Flit enjoys.